And as a VA, for you to be a very good VA, you have to understand the product of your client. Because I cannot come to you asking you a question and you have no clue about that.
Sure, you should know the company. That's like a teleperson or tele whatever. Telesale.
Exactly. Then you answer calls. Then you answer calls, you respond to emails. If there's a broadcast that is needed to be done, you do that. If someone has a query, you respond to it. If you have newsletters you're supposed to send out, you do that. If you're supposed to collect, if maybe your company is probably planning to hold a summit or something and they need CEOs of a certain industry, you have to look for their email addresses, their phone numbers on LinkedIn, on Google, on Facebook. So basically, that's your work.
Wow, you see, very many lucrative things you can do online. That's just online. You don't have to get out of your home, you get out of your house to go do work, sweat what. You're sitting on your computer, in front of your computer, doing all things. Please, consider subscribing. More things coming, good things coming. Please, don't forget to hit the bell button. That is very important for you. Also, thumbs up. Keep this video alive. You don't like what you do, back in $10. Yo, now summarize on it. We have summarized and we've summarized. There are more things to be talk about it. It was just but a brief about it. We shall talk and talk much more. It's just part of vlogging I do. It's among the lifestyle. This lifestyle, working from home. Ever since Corona started, people have been working from home. People were retrenched or reduced from work to zero. And where did they went? If someone comes and start doing online, you will never think of being employed elsewhere. I'm not saying don't get your job first before you put and see that it's working for you. Yeah. So if you can summarize, what can you tell the starters, those who want to start? Where can they get materials? Also, if you are ready, can you train or can you mentor someone? Yes, you.
Okay guys, so I don't know, I failed to mention this, but there's a lot of information you can get online. So there are a couple of sites where you can go get trained for free. And even end up having a certificate. The first site I'm gonna mention is HubSpot Academy.
HubSpot Academy.
Man, I just recently discovered it and it's a gold mine. Like if you're looking to be a writer, if you're looking to be a social media marketer, they have courses there. If you're looking to be a designer, a website designer, they have free courses. Second site I'm going to talk about is Google Digital Academy. They're always offering free courses. Third one is going to be Skillshare. Skillshare, they have a free trial for 30 days. Take advantage of these free trials. Just
schedule your time.
Yes, just take your time and you'll learn. They have
learn something new.
They have countless courses.
It's also
Premium
Udemy.
One. And then we have Udemy.
The fourth one is Udemy.
And then we have YouTube, of course.
Hey, the biggest one, YouTube.
Of course.
Yes, even the video we are doing, you are learning something. So this is YouTube.
Yes.
Wow.
So YouTube is a very, very, very nice and lucrative source of learning.
Yes. Thank you guys. If you wanna get in touch with me, please, I will put a links down below.
Oh, you asked me something.
Comments, yeah. What did I ask you?
You asked me if I can mentor people.
Oh, she hasn't said this. If she can mentor people, now say
So guys, currently I would really, really love to like mentor people, to impact people. But sadly, my schedule is too tight, and it's tricky. Maybe I would be once in a while we would be doing this here, so you guys can write in the comment what you would love to know about online jobs, okay? And then maybe we can handle a topic like that, so that we learn together. I think that's the best I can offer right now.
Sure.
Because if I promise you
one-on-one,
I will lie.
also maybe you can create something like a group or hangout, something like whereby you can be conversing.
Yeah. So if you
general,
have
so
any
that we don't
questions,
miss out, yes.
if you have any questions, Nani Felix, Marcus will let me know. Even Felix is okay.
It's okay for the channel.
Okay. So Felix will let me know, and I will try and answer as much as I can.
Yes.
Okay. But what I can tell you guys is, do not be afraid of small starts.
Yes.
We started back then, and I never gave up.
Yes.
Okay, I was discouraged along the way, but I kept at it. I just felt it in my heart that there's a gold mine here.
Yeah. Never quit.
Never quit. Don't stop looking. Another thing is package yourself online. Package yourself online. The world is
digital.
Everything
Revolution.
is digital,
And it's inevitable.
and you guys need to be on toes with what is happening currently in the world. So make sure you're always on what. Leave alone the trends, the fashion. It's good.
It's good.
Don't get me wrong.
But also you
But-
need a dollar.
Yes, you need to learn and just understand where the world is headed, which skills are being paid for, which skills are marketable, which skills are people looking for. And that is now the time where you now start tapping into that. Okay? Don't be lazy. Don't look for shortcuts. It's online business is just like any other business. You have to work hard. You have to put in effort. You have to go all out. Whichever works for you. But you have to go. Just go all in, work hard, and trust me, you will make it. I'm a living testimony, guys.
Yeah, she's a living testimony.
I'm a living
You
testimony.
follow the steps, follow the advice. You want to make it.
And then also find a mentor.
Sure.
Find a mentor. You don't really have to meet them physically like this.
Sure.
There are people I follow online,
Yeah.
they encourage me.
Yeah, you see what they do.
Yes, follow their footsteps. These are people who have been there, they've made mistakes, and they have now perfected their craft. So you're able to learn from
Because
them.
they didn't quit.
They didn't
They
quit.
strive. They push.
Yes.
Push.
Yes. So don't quit. Package yourself online. Learn a new skill every day and just keep going.
Sure, mercy. So, to finalize, thank you guys. Please, to finalize this stuff, please subscribe. Or please tell them. Maybe they're tired of my voice. They're tired of me saying it.
Oh my god, guys. So I hope you guys don't mind me laughing. I laugh a lot.
Yeah.
So
that's
guys,
good.
thank you so much for watching us. We hope that you have learned a thing or two, and we hope from this video you're gonna take action. We hope we've impacted you positively, and we've even affirmed that small voice maybe you've been having. Oh, is it working? It works.
It works.
It works.
Proven and tested.
I'm a testimony. It works.
Please tell us your handles: Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn.
So on Facebook, I am Brilliant Shaban. There's usually really nothing much going on there, but you can reach out. And then on LinkedIn, it's Beverly Shaban. So Facebook is Brilliant Shaban. LinkedIn is Beverly Shaban.
She seems to forget, but I will put the links down there. Also,
It works. So guys, let's help this young man grow here. This is my small bro.
yeah, sure. Yeah.
So guys, subscribe, share this video to anybody, one or any of your friends who you've heard they really want to venture into the online
They'll
business.
benefit.
Share with them. We hope we will be doing more of this.
Yes.
We hope.
Yeah. For lifestyle, for living.
Yes.
We want you to succeed. We all want to succeed. As always,
Yes.
let's grow together.
Yes.
Ciao. Bye bye.
Bye. Take care and stay safe. Sanitize and mask up.
Whoa.